The 2023 WEY Coffee 01 is a groundbreaking entry into the electric crossover SUV market by Chinese automaker WEY. This model serves as WEY's inaugural fully electric offering, marking its foray into the rapidly expanding EV sector. Defined by its contemporary design and sophisticated interior, the Coffee 01 positions itself as a high-end alternative in the electric crossover segment. On the exterior, the Coffee 01 boasts an athletic demeanor characterized by its sculpted contours and gracefully sloping rear roofline. The traditional front grille is substituted with a sleek panel featuring the prominent WEY logo at its center, while slender LED headlights grace the front fascia. Premium aesthetics are further enhanced by alloy wheels, side sills, and chrome embellishments. The Coffee 01 is aerodynamically shaped to minimize drag. Powering the WEY Coffee 01 are dual electric motors that combine to deliver 429 horsepower. This configuration enables swift acceleration and robust passing capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with a 93 kilowatt-hour battery pack that provides an estimated driving range of up to 300 miles per charge. The charging arsenal encompasses DC fast charging, which replenishes 80% of the battery in under 40 minutes. Regenerative braking aids in recapturing energy during deceleration. The Coffee 01's ride quality is well balanced, with its adaptive air suspension adeptly absorbing road imperfections. Multiple driving modes cater to diverse preferences, although the handling is more solid than sporty. Steering imparts a natural and linear response, and the cabin is effectively shielded from wind and road noise. Regarding technology, the Coffee 01 is impressively equipped. The infotainment system integrates navigation, intuitive voice recognition, and over-the-air software updates. Notably, a head-up display, 360-degree cameras, and a digital dashboard contribute to the high-tech ambiance. The advanced driver assistance system encompasses an array of active safety features. Cargo capacity in the Coffee 01 is commendable, with 27 cubic feet of space available behind the rear seats, expanding to 57 cubic feet when the seats are folded. Although not class-leading, this figure is competitive within the segment. The rear liftgate is power-operated for convenient access, and practical features like charging ports, AC power outlets, and tie-downs enhance versatility. The rear seats can be folded flat to accommodate larger items. Inside the cabin, the Coffee 01 adopts a tech-centric approach with its soft-touch surfaces and ambient lighting. The interior layout is minimalist and well-organized, highlighted by dual large displays for both instrumentation and infotainment purposes. Accommodating 5 adults comfortably, the rear seats are adjustable and recline. The cabin's upscale ambience is augmented by the availability of leather and wood trim options. The 2023 WEY Coffee 01's starting price is approximately $55,000 before incentives. Specific pricing details and trim levels will be disclosed closer to the model's release date. Initially launched in China, the Coffee 01's availability might extend to other markets, including Europe and North America. Initial impressions of the WEY Coffee 01 are favorable. Reviewers laud its striking design, spacious interior, comfortable ride, and potent electric powertrain. Notably, build quality appears markedly improved compared to previous WEY models. While not devoid of imperfections, the Coffee 01 signifies a resolute stride by WEY into the realm of luxury EVs. In comparison to competitors like the Tesla Model Y, Audi e-tron, and Mercedes EQC, the Coffee 01 holds its own. It competes admirably in areas such as design, comfort, and technology, while range and performance are on par. Furthermore, its competitive pricing undercuts rival models. For discerning Chinese luxury EV buyers, the Coffee 01 presents a compelling proposition. The 2023 WEY Coffee 01 emerges as an exceptional electric crossover SUV from a burgeoning contender. With its impressive range, swift charging capabilities, luxurious interior, and contemporary technological features, the Coffee 01 effectively showcases WEY's prowess. Although its reception in major markets remains untested, the Coffee 01 possesses substantial potential to establish WEY as a legitimate luxury EV brand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.